Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I still don't have an intro video, but anyways, so I stumbled upon a video on YouTube. I saw a video from one of my favorite YouTuber. She's a very adorable woman from Korea, I guess, and she like drops recipes. So basically, I actually saw one of her chicken recipes because I'm very sure she has like 100 of them. I did finish watching the video and I was like, okay, Darren, let's just make some chicken. I have chicken, and I have almost everything, I guess, probably everything she used in that video. So probably be adding a twist to mine because it's Darren, right? Anyways, so I wanted to take you guys through all the process. So let's make chicken together, right? Why not? Just especially for you if you like me that's gotten tired of chicken, because I've been eating this for like years now and it's like it's tasting like very bland to me. I don't know, maybe it's the chicken is so here or the fact that the range of food we have, like we can actually eat as Africans, is very very limited. That chicken or rice or spaghetti, chicken rice pasta, chicken rice pasta, there's not really like a lot of like stuff you can actually explore. So I guess unfortunately, well, you gotta do what you have to do, right? You're gonna use what you have, right? So today I'll be trying the chicken in a very like special way. So start with some flour, some salt, black pepper, paprika, curry, chili pepper, basically ginger, everything you need basically to properly season meats, okay, because I don't play with my seasoning. Some cornstarch, some baking powder, and finally 2 eggs. Oops, I got a shell inside. Oh, okay, shouldn't have done it. I got a shell too, so I guess we'll be eating shells with our chicken. Decide to add some extra spice, because why not? So now I'm gonna try to mix everything together with the shells. I mix everything together already and I remove the shells too. I'm going to let it to marinate for like 5 minutes in the fridge. She didn't do this step, but anyways, before I get the other stuff ready. So it's time to fry the chicken. So now the oil is hot, so I'll be dropping the chicken in one by one so it doesn't spoil. So the trick to this thing is you have to double fry. So I'll be putting it back into the oil again. And it sounds weird, but yeah, that's what we'll be doing. So the chicken looks properly cooked and ready, and should look like this actually. Removing it from the fire, and we'll do the last step and we'll be done. So in the same pan, I'll be adding some butter. Yeah, sizzle baby. I'll be adding some ginger, some crushed ginger. So now that ginger is properly infused into the butter, I'll be adding some pepper because I have a Yoruba name on my birth certificate. Just gonna stir this a bit. Then I feel this pepper won't do, but I mean fine, let's be normal for once. Adding some soy sauce, about 2, okay, that's 1 and this 1. So that should do. Sugar, just a bit. Then honey, just a bit, I guess. Oops. That should do. I want a bit of the tangerine filling, so I'll be adding some lemon, just it. Okay, I do one by one. Chicken looks so good already, even without this sauce. But I'm going to follow this recipe to the end. Actually, in our video, she used garlic instead of ginger, but I prefer ginger over garlic, and I don't even have garlic anyways. Now I'll be adding a bit of sesame seeds, you know. And just, okay, I have a thing that won't work, so I'm just gonna like turn it around myself. Oh, you piece of chicken. Why are you so nice? Why you smell so nice, bro? I hope I did this the right way, sure. Anyways, the main thing is to just coat the chicken into that flavor. I really wish you could smell this. This smells amazeballs.